Hi guys and welcome back to Guide Nation. Today I'm going to show you how to join Tubebuddy's affiliate program. In order to do this, first of all, navigate to any browser on your PC. Go to the search bar and type in Tubebuddy affiliate program and hit enter. After you search for Tubebuddy affiliate program, you will see these search results. So on this page, you'll have to scroll down, and when you scroll down, you will see the second link that says Tubebuddy affiliate program. You can click on this link and you will be promoted to this page. Now on this page, you will have to basically accept all these cookies, scroll down and click on this Sound Good Sign Up button. But before we do that, let's take an overlook. So you have to basically tell people about Tubebuddy and those people buy upgrades and you earn up to 30% recurring commissions on every Tubebuddy sale. So click on the Sound Good Sign Up button. You'll be promoted to this sign in page. Here, you'll have to choose I have read and agree to the privacy policy and I've read and agree to the terms of use. After you select both of these boxes, click on the sign in with Google option. Choose a Google account with which you have a Tubebuddy account. So I'm going to choose this one and click on continue. After I click on continue, I will see this affiliate sign up page on my Tubebuddy dashboard. So after you sign into your Tubebuddy, you'll be directly promoted to this affiliate sign up page. Here, you'll have to enter your affiliate code in this section. So on this page, you'll have to type in any code that you want. So I'm going to type in any random code. Now in this section, you will have to add your PayPal email so you can be paid for your affiliate commissions via PayPal each month. So create an affiliate code and add your PayPal email and click on this submit button in the green. After you click on submit, you will see a message saying you have successfully set up your affiliate account. And in order to access your affiliate center, click on the affiliate center button at the left corner of your screen and click on dashboard, and from here you can see your affiliate earned commissions in this overview button. You can click on advanced and see more settings for your affiliate account. You can see assets, quick start and much more under affiliate center. And that's how you can join Tubebuddy affiliate program. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe and hit that notification bell. And I will see you in the next video.